So, who likes wasps? Just Josh. Okay. I don't, but this wasp I do. Please start on it. This is.
Chris is taking a mark off every second.
No, we'll get to test these things before. Okay.
This is Polybia polyssa. It's an aggressive wasp seen as an unwelcome sight in Brazil. Okay, now I'm done with it. It's the wasp's venom. It can attack cancer cells, but leave healthy cells intact. So I know what you're thinking, a cure, right? Not quite. It's been a great advancement in medicine in finding this. This research has only been active for a year, with the first study dating back to September 1st of 2015. Scientists at the University of Brazil found that the venom attacked cancer cells in early experimental therapy. They didn't know why it worked, but because of recent research, they do now. The venom has a compound named Polybia MP1. It's a polypeptide or a string of proteins that can attach to certain cells. A polypeptide is a linear string that contains 10 or more amino acids, and like in pharmaceutical products, they're used to stimulate antibody production. The polypeptide in this venom, it's sort of like a protein. It attacks two different kinds of lipids or fats that are used in cell membranes of certain cells. Cell membranes are made up of like two different kinds. These ones who are hydrophobic, that can keep water out, and these little ones, they're all the way down there. And there's two layers, so it like keeps whatever's in the cell, what needs to be in the cell, and what's outside of the cell not in the cell. Now there's more than that, I'm not going to get into that. But these are like fats. So the venom in some cancer cells, the venom attacks specific fats that are in the cancer cells, and it breaks them open, allowing to get water in, or fluids in and fluids leaking out, which technically destroys the cell from the outside. It leaks out the crucial elements that the cell needs to survive. The polypeptide goes and breaks down the fat. Because of this research, there have been rumors that it will be used for a new kind of anti-cancer drug for compatible cancer patients. On average, 555 Canadians are affected by cancer each day, so this discovery in medicine is amazing in the advancement for chemotherapy or a cure. But we're not at a cure yet. There's still, the results of this year-long study was just released however many months ago. The next step of this research would be refining the amino acid sequence in the polypeptide to figure out what its selective properties could do in selectively targeting more cancer cells. And that's all I have.